Story, stay on as we move on to some more news coming in from Maharashtra. Now, viewers, in yet another setback for Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena, Uddhav, MLC, Sachin Ahir has now joined the Eknath Shinde faction. This development, of course, marks a fresh blow to the Thackeray camp amid ongoing political churn in Maharashtra. Ahir's switch further strengthens the ruling Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde and deals a big blow to Uddhav Thackeray. Shweta, Ahir has joined, Sachin Ahir has joined the Shinde faction. One MLC, another state leader who's joined the Shinde camp. What reason has he cited?
Well, that's absolutely right, Kriti. In fact, major blow to Uddhav Thackeray, Shiv Sena. And here we understand that close confidant of Aditya Thackeray. Now, let me tell you who Sachin Ahir is. He is a former MLA from Worli. Worli is known to be a bastion since very long time. Aditya Thackeray is well-known person in that particular constituency. Now, this particular Sachin Ahir in question was said to be for decades. He used to be with Uddhav family, specifically with Aditya Thackeray. He leaving the party and joining hands with Eknath Shinde camp is something, a major blow to Uddhav Thackeray UBT as a political party, where we see only handful of MLAs are with them and only 3 MPs now are with the Uddhav Thackeray camp there. But as we speak about Sachin Ahir, remember the timing of Sachin Ahir switching from party is when the deputy MLC election, in fact, for the chairperson is going to be approaching. So clearly, while he shifted from Uddhav Thackeray camp to Eknath Shinde camp, he was given the nomination paper for the deputy speaker post. So completely this questions the timing of Sachin Ahir shifting from Uddhav Thackeray camp to Eknath Shinde camp.
Absolutely. Stay on. In fact, viewers, we now move on to news from Karnataka. Now, the Karnataka government has notified